Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can revolutionize your portrait editing workflow using AI-powered tools in Aperty. If you're tired of spending hours on manual edits, keep watching because this video is for you. I'll show you how Aperty's AI simplifies tasks like skin retouching, blemish removal, and even face contouring. No manual effort required. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start by importing photos into Aperty. Click Create Project. Type the project name and choose the photos you want to import. So, this is the user interface. You can find the catalog on the bottom and adjustment settings on the right side. Here, you can find the Presets tab, Canvas, Essential, Retouch, and many more. But for this video, we're only going to take a look inside the Retouch tab. So, inside, you will find these adjustments that you can play with. I'm going to use these photos as an example. On the very top, we have the People Adjustment menu. If you're editing a group photo or photo with more than one person, you can use this feature to choose whether the effects will affect an individual, the whole group, or a specific category like male, teen, child, or elderly. Like when I click on the individual option, you will see two icons below that are available to select. In skin blemish adjustment, we have blemish removal and freckles removal. Just slide the sliders, and the AI will do all the job. Take a look at the before and after. Look how powerful it is. In face skin adjustment, let's apply skin smoothing. So clean and natural, right? You can also fix skin color, remove dark circles, and brighten up the face. In the eyes adjustment menu, you can change the iris color. This feature only works if both eyes are visible like this. It won't work if only one eye is visible. You can also add flare, remove the red color in your eyes, and enhance the white color. Next, you can also whiten the teeth. And in the makeup adjustment menu, you can add blush to the face, contour, eyeliner, and lips. I'll play with settings. So using this feature, you don't really have to put makeup on your face for photo shooting anymore, actually. You can just use these features to put makeup on your face. It saves your makeup tools and time. Here's the before and after. Looks so natural, right? So as you can see, I only need like 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes max, to edit this photo with only sliders. Now think if you have to edit it manually, of course. It will take more than 5 minutes, maybe 30 minutes or an hour. Look how much time you can save. The point is that Aperty completes the same task faster. And that's how you can simplify portrait editing with AI in Aperty. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for photographers who want professional results without the hassle. So, if you're interested in purchasing Aperty, make sure to use the link in the description to get a discount. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.